The orange blinking light on a Firestick remote indicates that it is not paired to a TV. To resolve this issue, try restarting the TV and allowing it to complete the rebooting process. Once the TV notifies you of a failure to detect the remote, press and hold the home button on the remote for about 10 seconds. A successful pairing will be confirmed when the LED light turns blue. For those using an Echo Show 15, access the settings by swiping down from the top edge of the screen and select Settings. Then, choose Get Started with Fire TV Remote, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. For subsequent pairings, locate the Fire TV settings in the Screen Settings menu. Select Fire TV Remote, and then choose Add a new remote. By following these steps, the orange blinking light should be resolved, and the remote should be properly paired to the TV.